Well, howdy there, partner. Whether you're a yaad or you run gonna live across the water, I'm talking to you. Whether you're straight or you run off abroad, it's your boy who always clean like Jesus police record. Chap. Now hear me. Aren't y'all tired of getting chapped by y'all cell phone when y'all trying to make a phone call? I mean, aren't y'all tired of hearing this, lady?
Sorry, you have insufficient balance for this transaction.
What a piece of liberty. What a piece of arms ass. What a piece of embarrassment. Shaming unto me. But hear me, I got a way where you don't have to hear this crosses from your cell phone ever again. I'm talking about ding, my friend. That's right, ding. And I don't mean dong, but I'm sure y'all would love it if I gave y'all a little more details in a little song. Now won't you?
Oh, ding, and the fastest way to send credit and gift cards from farm to yard. And your receiver ain't gotta do a thing. Them just fall off and they reach them fast.
Now I know y'all didn't expect me to sing, now did you? But hear me, one thing you can surely expect is great and reliable service from Dig. But hold on, jam breaks for a second. Because my name would not be Chapper if I did not chop y'all out of deal, now would it? Now hear me, if y'all want to save 75% off, when y'all send credit from farin to y'all for the first time, use my discount code, Dextazlab 75. It's a great time to be awake. Everything ain't got a rhyme. So what incarnations are y'all waiting on? Y'all ready for me to run it back and sing? Well, I know I sound great, but please. Gwan, can you stay? Chap Chapper and Sons. And then.